Hi everyone and welcome to another video. I'm back again with another video. It's a new week and I'm bringing you nothing but good stuff. So this week we are talking about Jumia affiliate. I did another video about 2 years back and it got massive views, and so I'm doing an update of Jumia affiliate. You could be aware that Jumia changed their affiliate site, and so they have a new site called, what is this name, kol.jumia.com, whatever. I don't know how you call it, but yeah. So I want to get you started. If you're not in Jumia, I want to show you how to get started signing up with Jumia and different ways that you can make money as a Jumia affiliate. So who is an affiliate? Affiliate is anyone who get paid for selling someone else's products. So you earn a commission for bringing a customer to a seller. And guys, people are making money in Kenya through this site. It does not have any limit. You can earn as much as you want. All you need to do is to work hard. If you sign up and you just sit and you don't do anything about it, then you will earn nothing. But if you work hard, you keep posting, you keep referring people, your family, your friends, writing blog posts about it, and also advertising these products, then you will definitely be making money. So let's get started. So we go to Google and write Jumia affiliate. Then this page will open. Come here and create and click on create new affiliate account. By the way, if you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button below so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. So let's go ahead and create a new affiliate account. So to register, write your name, your first name, let me just put any details, my email. These are my phone numbers. I don't mind about them. They're public. I'm a business person. So if you want to do business with me, if you want me to teach you how to create websites, a blog, you can contact me through the emails, the number that you've seen. I also do events. I'm a planner. And I also do supplies. So if you need mobile toilets for hire and planning for your events, talk to me. This is my number, by the way. It's public, so there's nothing to hide. The only thing that I'll hide, of course, is the password. So anyway, this is the form that you use to register. And then once you're done, you click on what is it called? What is that called doing? Click on that box and it will highlight. Now, website. You might need a website. Try to use your Facebook. You can use your Facebook URL. If it does not work, you can open a free blogger website. If you don't know how to do that, I will leave a link at the description on how to create a free website using Blogger. So all you need is your Gmail and you'll be able to create a free website. So just in case your Facebook URL account is not possible to paste here, then go ahead and create a free Blogger website. So then once that is done, you will click on register. You will receive an email, and then you'll be able to activate your affiliate account. This will be the very first page that you'll see when you log into your account in the Jumia affiliate program. So let me just take you through this. Advertising. This is where you come when you want to advertise the products. So for offers, this is where you can be able to advertise in categories or get banners to put in your get banners to put in your website. So you come here and choose the country that you want to market from, or where you are. So for me, I'm going to choose Kenya. And then one thing I want to advise you guys is that you need to choose a niche that you want to concentrate on. You cannot sell everything, just everything and anything. Just choose one niche. For example, baby products. You can just choose to focus on baby products. Get a Facebook page relating to baby products. Open a WhatsApp page or a WhatsApp group, or a WhatsApp business account relating to that, and a website specifically relating to baby products, or whichever niche that you choose to concentrate on. You cannot be selling shoes today for adults, tomorrow you're selling baby products, the other day you're selling TVs on the same website. So if you want to rank in Google so that you don't confuse the search engine, you need to concentrate on one niche. So if you need training on this is something that I'm going to be taking you through as we continue with training on setting up websites and getting started to using free traffic from Google to make money with Jumia or any other affiliate program that you could be in or you're interested in getting into. Now let's say I want to get a banner to put in my website relating to baby products. Then you click on the baby products. So you could be advertising in the app or web advertising. This is where you choose a banner that best suits your website or social media page. So you come here and click on select. Yeah, this is the size that is on default, but you can come here and choose the size that you want. So this can fit very well. I'm sure you normally see this when you're visiting websites. So some of these adverts could be the owners of websites who choose to paste the banners, and once you click there and shop through their link, then they make a commission. Others could be the Google ads. So if I want to use this image, I'll just come and download and copy the URL. So when you use the banner and someone goes to Jumia website and they make a purchase using your link, as long as they can choose whatever product that they choose to buy on the site, and you still earn a commission as long as they've gone through your banner. Now, if you want to send people to a specific product, then you come here and click on custom links. And again, you choose the country. Then you paste the web page URL. So let's say I want to send people to buy this, the explosive proof. So you come here and copy this URL. Then you go back here and paste it. When you paste it, automatically you get an advertising link. So this is what you copy and share out. So yeah, it's that simple, guys. So all you need is traffic. The secret, or the only way to make money with Jumia affiliates is getting traffic to your website, or getting traffic to your link. In short, getting traffic to your link. And how do you get traffic to your link? The first way that you can get traffic, before I go there, this is where when you click on reports, you get reports on the conversions, the sales that you've made, the approved commissions, and the awaiting commission. So if you need support, click on that and you'll be able to chat with someone or leave a message. If whatever issue that you have, then they'll be able to get back to you within a short while. I mentioned about getting traffic. So how do you get traffic to to the link, or how do you get traffic so that people can start buying and you make money from that? Number one is through using paid advertising. Paid advertising, you can do that using Facebook, and also you can do Google Ads. The other way is using free ways like sharing in Facebook groups, sharing in WhatsApp groups, sharing with friends and family your links, and people can be able to, so that people can buy and you make money out of it. And then the other way, and the free way, which is very good, well, you may not see money coming in through immediately, but it's long term and you'll be able to make good money eventually, is creating a website and creating very good blogs, content that are related, that have good keywords. And keywords are the words that, what people are searching for. For example, someone can go to Google and search on the best TVs in Kenya under 30,000. And if you have created a good article that has the right keywords that Google likes and they rank it, so people are likely to click through your website and make a purchase, and that's how you earn a commission. This is just an example of one of the blogs that I've done. This is best TV prices in Kenya, best prices in 2021 delivery in Kenya. So I've used keywords here that people can use to, when they put questions in Google, they can be sent to this. So you can see I'm talking about Samsung, Hisense, LG, Sony, all these TVs. And if I was selling them, for example, I wanted to use Jumia link somewhere, then I'll come here and say, buy from, let me just show you one of the articles I've done. Now, this is an example of an article, best pressure cooker in Kenya you can find in 2021. So I'm talking about the pressure cookers, two of them. So I'm talking about the non-explosive. I am highlighting the features. So if I need someone to buy it, they'll come here and check the current offer at Jumia. So when they click on it, they'll be taken to Jumia, and when they make a purchase, I make money. So using a website to get traffic to your affiliate links, or the niche that you're working on, is a great way. As I mentioned, it's not, you may not see money coming in immediately unless you combine it with some advertising and also a lot of sharing in social media, then you'll begin seeing money. Guys, this is a great way that you can make money, whether you want to do it full-time or you want to do it as a side thing. You can make money working with Jumia as an affiliate. Check out the description for any updates. I'll be I'm working on training to train people on how to create niche websites and how to make money with websites. And also I will leave the link I mentioned about creating a free blogger website so that you can get started with Jumia. I hope this video has been helpful, and guys, you can be able to start or create an account with Jumia and get started. Remember, we said you need to work hard. Once you sign up, get people, get to share. Start sharing your links with people and concentrate on one niche. If you decide you'll be doing the cooking, the cooking stuff, the kitchen stuff, concentrate on that. If you want to do fashion, then choose between men and ladies, whichever that you want to go with. As you begin, concentrate on one niche, one category, and I believe you'll be successful. I hope to see you guys in the next video. If you have not subscribed, remember to subscribe, like the video, and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.